Leadership is a journey. It's about inspiring others to reach their full potential and achieve goals they never thought possible. It's about creating a vision and guiding your team towards it with passion and dedication. It's about making a difference in the lives of those you lead and in the community you serve. True leadership extends beyond the workplace. It touches every aspect of life. Great leaders have a profound impact on their teams and organizations. They inspire trust, foster collaboration, and drive innovation. Their influence can be felt far and wide. They shape teams, organizations, and even the world by setting examples and creating environments where everyone can thrive. Their vision and actions pave the way for future success. What makes a great leader? Is it their charisma, their ability to communicate, or their unwavering commitment to their team's success? It's a mix of qualities and skills, including empathy, resilience, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. These attributes can be learned and developed over time. These can be learned and developed through continuous learning, experience, and a willingness to grow. Leadership is not a destination, but a continuous journey of self-improvement. This essay will guide you on that path, providing insights and strategies to help you become the leader you aspire to be. It's a path to unlocking your leadership potential and making a lasting impact. Reflect on your experiences, learn from others, and continuously strive to improve. Are you ready to lead? Are you prepared to take on the challenges and responsibilities that come with leadership? Are you ready to inspire others to achieve greatness and to make a difference in the world? Let's embark on this journey together, learning, growing, and leading with purpose and passion. Communication is key. Great leaders communicate clearly. They articulate their vision. They share their goals. They ensure that every team member understands the direction in which they are heading. This clarity helps in aligning the team's efforts towards common objectives. Open and honest communication builds trust. It creates a culture where team members feel valued and heard. When leaders communicate openly, it encourages others to do the same, fostering a collaborative environment. It ensures everyone is on the same page. Misunderstandings are minimized and productivity is maximized. Clear communication channels help in addressing issues promptly and effectively. It fosters a positive and productive environment. Passion is contagious. When leaders are passionate about their work, it creates an atmosphere of enthusiasm and dedication. This passion can be a driving force for the entire team. Great leaders are passionate about their work. This passion inspires others. It motivates team members to put in their best effort and strive for excellence. Passionate leaders lead by example, showing commitment and dedication. It fuels their team's energy and commitment. When the team sees their leader's enthusiasm, it boosts their morale and encourages them to work harder. This shared passion can lead to remarkable achievements. Think of a leader you admire. What qualities do they possess? Their passion, their ability to communicate, and their dedication likely stand out. These are the cornerstones of great leadership. Their passion shines through, doesn't it? It's evident in their actions, their words, and their impact. Great leaders leave a lasting impression through their unwavering commitment and enthusiasm. The world is constantly changing. Great leaders embrace change. They are adaptable and open-minded. They welcome new ideas. They adjust their strategies when needed. This flexibility is essential for success. Great leaders support their team. They provide the resources and training needed for growth. They recognize and celebrate achievements. They offer guidance and mentorship. This support empowers team members to thrive. Section 4. Positivity and collaboration. Building a strong team spirit. Positivity is powerful. Great leaders cultivate a positive environment. They focus on strengths. They celebrate successes. This positive energy is infectious. It motivates and uplifts the entire team. Collaboration is essential. Great leaders foster a collaborative spirit. They encourage teamwork and open communication. They value diverse perspectives. They believe in the power of collective intelligence. Section 5. Leading by example, continuous growth and ethical conduct. In today's fast-paced business environment, the importance of continuous growth and ethical conduct cannot be overstated. These principles are the bedrock of successful leadership. Actions speak louder than words. It's not just about what leaders say, but what they do that truly matters. Great leaders lead by example. They don't just instruct their teams, they roll up their sleeves and work alongside them. They embody the values they preach. Whether it's integrity, hard work, or dedication, they live these values every day. They demonstrate integrity, hard work, and dedication. Their commitment is evident in their actions, inspiring those around them. Their actions inspire and motivate their team. Learning never stops. They foster an environment where continuous improvement is encouraged. Great leaders are lifelong learners. They understand that knowledge is power and are always seeking to expand their horizons. They seek out new knowledge and experiences. Whether through formal education or real-world experiences, they are always learning. They are committed to personal and professional growth. Setting goals and striving to achieve them is a constant process. They encourage their team to do the same. By setting an example, they inspire their team to pursue their own growth and development. Great leaders act with integrity. They make decisions based on what is right, not just what is easy or profitable. They are honest and ethical in all their dealings. Their transparency builds trust and fosters a culture of accountability. They build trust through transparency and accountability. By being open and honest, they create a strong foundation for their team to thrive.